A pleasant morning to you all. Welcome to our English class. When we have good thoughts and good behavior, definitely God will protect us from the toughest situations such as we face right now. So, eat well, play well, sleep well, study well, and also maintain good health with safety measures. My prayers and wishes for you and your family that you may live a healthy and a happy life. Well, let's learn a lesson from a new lesson given in our standard 10th Samachir English textbook, Unit 3, The Story of Mulan. Introduction about this story. Hua Mulan was a Chinese warrior woman who lived during the northern and southern dynasties, which was between 420 and 589 CE. CE means Christian era, or common era, or current era. Era means period. In other words, current period. And her story was told through the Ballad of Mulan. Ballad means a song. This Ballad of Mulan was a poem written on the story of Mulan. Mulan was already a good fighter who had been trained in martial arts. Martial means different systems of fighting. Fighting sports such as karate, judo, in which hand and feet are used as weapons. So that is the martial arts. Sword fighting and archery. Mulan fought for 12 years and is offered an official post but asked for only a camel to get her back to her family. So this is what in short is about the story of Mulan. When the story has been taken and how Mulan has fought for 12 years. So let us get into detail, and before that, let's learn in short what is it, the story of Mulan. Let's understand the story in short. Many years ago, China was in the middle of a great war. The emperor said that one man from each family must join the army. So, Mulan went to join the emperor's army. Mulan proved to be a brave soldier. She became the general of the entire army. A bad fever swept the army. Mulan became sick. The doctor informed the soldiers about her identity. She was a woman. Some opposed her and some supported her. Just then, a surprise attack came. Mulan stood strong and she won the battle. The emperor raised her as a royal advisor. but Mulan wished to join her family. So that is the story in short. Of course, the emperor gave her gifts of 6 horses and 6 swords. And because of which everyone cheered, appreciated Mulan. Now the story is about Mulan, a teenage and a brave girl who saved China many years ago. China was in the middle of a great war. The emperor announced that one man from each family should join the army. Mulan heard the news and told her father, as her father was old and her brother was a child. She dressed herself as a man and joined the army. If the emperor knew about it, he would kill her, but she was confident that nothing would happen. She had been trained in Kung Fu by her father, so she bade goodbye to the family and joined the army. She proved to be a brave soldier. Her battles went so well that she was put in charge of more soldiers and she won many battles. She became the general of the army. One day, a bad fever swept the army. Mulan was also affected by this fever and fell sick. When the doctor examined her, everyone came to know that she was a woman. The soldiers became angry and shouted that she should be punished. But some soldiers protested to this and said that they won every battle with Mulan as the general. Just then, a soldier came and announced about a surprise attack. Mulan got up and proceeded towards the attack. She instructed the soldiers what to do, and it worked. She attacked the enemy. The battle was won by them. When she saved China, everyone cheered and appreciated her. The emperor was glad and gifted her with 6 fine horses and 6 fine swords. She returned to the village and joined her family. So that's the end of the story of Mulan. So conclusion, the story of Mulan is a powerful one about a woman who chooses to go against tradition and fight in place of her father. She has been an inspiration to women throughout the ages. These women inspire us to make change and fight for what's right no matter the cost. Now, shall we follow the same principle of fight for the right when we face challenges in our day-to-day life and thus achieve success? May God inspire us to grow better and do the best for the whole of mankind as Mullen has done for our own country, China. Now here is some work for you. Answer in a paragraph. Question number 1. Sketch the character of Mullen. Question number 2. Do you agree with Mullen's decision to go to war? Justify. So answer this and send us. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next class on a different topic. Bye.